Okay, hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video we will be solving problem B, which has came in yesterday's educational Codeforces round 143. I hope you guys gone through the problem. I will be explaining the problem in brief. So you are given some segments like 1 3 7 9 2 5 and 3 6, and you are given a number k and you have to remove some of the segments such that the occurrence of remaining other numbers should be strictly smaller than the occurrence of this number. Like here, first test case is four numbers. Okay, so 1 2 3 4. So this is the first test case. So this is the complete segments which you have been given, and the number which is given is 3. So you have to delete some of the segments here, and such that the occurrence of 3 will be strictly greater than the remaining other numbers. Okay, so this problem was more or less observation based only. This was actually a very simple problem. So try to visualize, or it is obvious to visualize that what is the minimum number of times a number can occur in the segment. It's 1. Okay, it will be occurring at least one number of times. So try to visualize it. What should be the occurrence of k, minimum occurrence of k, such that it should be strictly greater than the minimum occurrence of any number. So the minimum occurrence of k should be 2 in order to becomes greater than the minimum occurrence of any number in the segment. Okay, so we have to make at least 2 times k in our segments. So how we can make that? So this was the part which was quite observation based, you can say. Like we want our k to be to occur 2 times. Okay, at least 2 times. So we can say that what if the left boundary is equals to k and one time right boundary is equals to k. Okay, let's suppose these numbers are k. So the numbers which occur on the left half of this part, this k, will definitely be smaller than this k. Okay, I hope you guys are getting that point. And the numbers which are on the right side of this point will definitely be greater than the value of k. For example, in the first test case, you can see here like the points are given like 1 and 3. Okay, 1 and 3, and the second times we are getting 1k here and we are getting 1k here. So the second time we are getting 3 and 6. So you can see here this the numbers which are on the right side of this 4 5 and 6 are greater than this, and number which are on the left side of this are smaller than this 1 2. So in this way the occurrence of all the number will remain 1 times, and the occurrence of the value of k will become 2 times, which is making strictly greater than the occurrence of all other numbers in the segment. I hope you guys got the point here. Okay, so we want all numbers to become 1 times and our k to become 2 times. So in order to do that, we want to choose a segment, 2 segments, such that in one segment our k will be lying on the right hand side, rightmost, and in one segment our k will be lying on the left segment, left half. Okay, left hand side of the one segment. And remaining all other segments can be deleted, because we have chosen our required segments, and we will try to avoid all other segments because they will be definitely be increasing the frequency of the other remaining numbers except k. So yeah, this was all about this problem, and let me show you my code which I have written. So let me zoom it. So here I have taken n and k as input, and I have kept 2 booleans left and right to check whether one time I'm getting my k on the left hand side and one time I'm getting my k on the right hand side or not. So n times we have to take the left part and the right part of the segment, 2 endpoints here x and y, and then if my x is equals to k, means the left endpoint will be equals to k, and in one segment the right part should be equals to k. So that will be the optimal 2 segments which we will be required to get the occurrence of k equals to 2, and other occurrence of all other numbers should be occurrence equals to 1. So if I'm getting both the parts true, then yes, else no. So this was all about this problem, guys. It was quite easy and observation based problem. So problem C was more interesting. I'll make a video on that also very soon. So stay tuned and thank you for watching this video.